Hello friends, how are you all? Hope everybody is fine staying at their homes. In this video, we are going to learn CBSE Class 10 Science Physics Chapter 12 Electricity. The word science originates from the Latin word scientia, which means to know. This knowledge which humans have gained through observations and experiments, when organized systematically, is called science. Physics is a branch of science which deals with the study of nature and natural phenomena. Electricity has an important place in modern society. It is a controllable and convenient form of energy for a variety of uses. The rate of flow of electric charges in a conductor is called electric current. The electric current in a circuit flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the cell.
Hey wait, there are many words which you need to understand here.
A circuit is a complete closed pathway for the flow of electric charges.
This is a schematic representation of the electric circuit with the symbols.
The ends of the cells are termed as the terminals, like the terminal railway stations. An object that allows the flow of electricity is known as a conductor. An object that objects the flow of electricity is known as insulator. The total sum of total charges acting on a body is known as the net charge. The shape which we get when we cut an object straightly is called as cross-section. If a net charge Q flows across any cross-section of a conductor in time t, then the electric current flowing through the conductor is net charge by the time. That is, I is equal to Q by T. The SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. 1 coulomb is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. The SI unit of electric current is ampere, represented with the capital A, named after the scientist Henri-Marie Ampere. An instrument that measures the electric current is called as ammeter. An ammeter is always connected in series across a conductor. Friends, remember that the positive terminal of the ammeter should always be connected to the positive terminal of the cell, and the negative terminal of the ammeter should always be connected to the negative terminal of the cell. Let us try a few questions regarding on what we have learned. A current of 10 ampere is drawn by a rod in a heater for 1 hour. Find the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. It is given that the current flowing, that is I, is equal to 10 ampere, time is equal to 1 hour, which is equal to 3600 seconds. We need to find the electric charge that flows, that is Q. We know that I is equal to Q by T. On taking T to the left hand side, we get I into T is equal to Q. On substituting the values in the equation, 10 into 3600 is equal to Q. Q is equal to 36,000 coulomb. Therefore, the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit is 36,000 coulomb. Potential difference. The work done to move a unit charge from one point to another point. Potential difference is equal to work done by unit charge. That is, V is equal to W by Q. The SI unit of potential difference is volts, represented by capital V, named after the Italian physicist Alessandro Volta. 1 volt can be defined as when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another point. That is, 1 volt is equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. The potential difference is measured by an instrument called the voltmeter. The voltmeter is always connected in parallel in a circuit. Let us try a few questions regarding on what we have learned. Name a device that helps to maintain a potential difference across a conductor.
Answer is battery, a combination of cells.
A charge of 10 coulombs moves across 2 points having a potential difference of 19 volts. What is the work done? It is given that the potential difference V is equal to 19 volts. The electric charge Q is equal to 10 coulombs. We need to find the work done, that is W. We know that V is equal to W by Q. On taking Q to the left hand side, we get V into Q is equal to W. On substituting the values, 19 into 10 is equal to W. Therefore, W is equal to 190 joules.
Circuit diagram.
Now let us learn some conventional symbols used to represent some of the most commonly used electrical components. An electric cell, a battery or a combination of cells, opened plug key or switch, closed plug key or switch, a wire joint, an electric bulb, a resistor of resistance R, variable resistance or rheostat.
Friends, do you think is there a relationship between the potential difference across a conductor and the current flowing through it?
Yes, there is a relationship.
In 1827, a German physicist Georg Simon Ohm found out the relationship between the current flowing in a metallic wire and the potential difference across its terminals. On the name of Ohm, we are going to learn a law. Further Ohm's law and further, do watch part 2 of the video. Dear friends, for more questions and practice, check the description below. There are many questions on what we have learned. Dear friends, hope you liked the video. For more interesting videos, subscribe to Ganesh Study Rankers and activate the bell icon beside the subscribe button for immediate updates. Thanks for watching.